Is it possible for an artificial intelligence to dream, to imagine, to create? What if it could pen a poem, compose a melody, or even design a masterpiece? This is not the realm of science fiction anymore, but the fascinating world of generative AI. Generative AI, a subset of artificial intelligence, has the capability to generate new content from scratch. It's like an artist with a blank canvas, but in this case, the artist is an algorithm. Imagine a chef who never cooks the same dish twice. Generative AI is that chef, continuously creating unique outputs that are not just rehashes of its previous work. It learns from a vast amount of data, then applies what it's learned to produce something entirely original. To understand how generative AI works, we need to delve into the world of neural networks. These are models inspired by our own brains, designed to mimic the way humans learn. In particular, generative AI utilizes what's known as a generative adversarial network, or GAN for short. Picture two artists in a duel. One artist, the generator, starts by creating a piece of work. The second artist, the discriminator, critiques it, pointing out where it's not quite right. The generator takes this feedback, improves its work, and the process repeats. Over time, the generator becomes more and more skilled until it can produce work so convincing that the discriminator can no longer tell it apart from the real thing. This is precisely how a GAN operates. The generator network generates new data, while the discriminator network tries to distinguish the generated data from real data. They're in a constant tug-of-war, pushing each other to improve. The end result? A system capable of generating incredibly realistic data, whether that's an image, a piece of music, or a block of text. However, it's not all about creating art. Generative AI has immense potential in many fields. In healthcare, it could generate synthetic data for research without compromising patient privacy. In entertainment, it could create new characters or plots for movies and video games. In engineering, it could design new components or even whole machines. But like any powerful tool, generative AI also comes with its challenges. It raises questions about authenticity, about copyright, and about the very nature of creativity. It opens up new avenues for misinformation and deepfakes. As we continue to develop and deploy generative AI, we must also navigate these ethical and societal implications. In summary, generative AI is a fascinating branch of artificial intelligence that uses neural networks, specifically generative adversarial networks, to create entirely new content. It's like an artist, a chef, or a designer, constantly producing unique and original work. The potential applications are vast, from art and entertainment to healthcare and engineering. But as we embrace its possibilities, we must also be aware of its challenges and implications. Truly, we are on the brink of a new era of creativity and innovation, with AI not just as a tool, but as a creator in its own right.